All right, we found ourselves a pile.
Hey, if y'all walk farther, y'all are pussies.
A pile of fresh cow shit.
We got some, whatever the fuck this shit is. I know mommy.
Hell no.
This shit is fresh.
Just light it.
Okay. It didn't light, come back. Come back. He did not light, come back. I know mommy, vamos. I know mommy.
How'd you get that shit?
No mommy.
Hell no.
We don't know.
I mean, come on, let's see how that
It's
shit
Gucci, it's Gucci, it's Gucci.
I know mommy.
Oh my god.
No.
Oh fuck.
Hell no.
I'm out.
Look, there's cow shit right there on the grass. Right there.
Put another one in there, Luis. Ahí da, no mames, pon otro.
You record it.
Ahí da.
I don't have shit on my phone, dude.
Ahí clávalo, Luis, era allá.
Where?
Ahí, güey, no mames, este.
Right here?
How's that smell, nigga? Oh, I'm dying.
Look at the smoke coming out of the cow shit.
No mames, I'm gonna die.
Take a hit.
Un chingo de asco, I'm gonna die.